In this module, we are going to talk about flow of international capital. International capital flows are referred to the financial side of global trade. When somebody imports a product or service, the consumer, which is in fact an importer, gives the supplier, which is in fact an exporter, a financial payment similar to the domestic transactions. Remittances play integral role in the financial inflows to developing countries. Remittances alleviate poverty in the developing countries. Nutritional outcomes are improved. More spending on education, reduced child labor. Without receiving remittances, developing countries would not be able to spend in these areas. So we can use remittances to remove our flaws and other disparities in society. Remittances give opportunity to invest in land, seeds, livestock, and purchasing other important equipment, can be helpful for microfinance and debt services, higher productivity due to better health care, and remittances can also help to absorb the effects of external economic shocks. Benefits: improvement of economical infrastructure, technological advancement, exploitation of natural resources, improved exports competitiveness, benefits to consumers, employment, managing balance of payments. Impact on the local business: reduced costs, market liquidity is improved, economic efficiency, improved financial systems, development of real economy. This is how this flow of international capital can assist us in removing our disparities which may occur in any society in this age of globalization.